Hi guys, so this is going to be a real quick video. It's all about the price of SD cards have dropped to their all-time low. It's come from an interesting article I read over on Nintendo Life, and it's basically SD cards in the UK at the moment. Basically, they've been on Amazon. I'm sure you could probably get them cheaper elsewhere, but probably not a reputable seller like Amazon is. These are going to be official SanDisk cards, which have like 10-year warranties. You can send them off as any brand new ones. They're going to be reliable. They're not going to be formatting regularly or be corrupted or anything like that. Especially a very good discount or price on the 200GB SD card. So if you've been thinking about getting a larger SD card for your Switch, which I certainly have, I have a 128, but it's 200 I'm definitely going to be buying. And then if you need one for more backups, definitely get one of these. You'll be able to store loads of games on it for 200 gigs, and you won't have to be swapping them in and out as much as you need. And the price is great. So, first thing is there's a website, Amazon price tracker called Camel. Really weird thing, but basically this is the chart of the 128 gigabyte SD card, and as you can see, November last year it was around 50 quid. Now it's down to 13.49. Amazing discount. And you can see how the price recently dropped near the beginning of September, and then has dropped even more again. So it's still around the £26 in September. It's now 13.49. Which means they're probably getting ready to release new versions, higher versions, but these are loads of storage at a really great price. And then this is the 200 gigabytes. So as you can see, just in January it was £73.49, so around £74, £75. Once again, beginning of September, dropped down to about £46 there, but it is now at £22.29, lowest it's ever been. Great price. And like I said, I will definitely be buying one of these. Perfect even if you don't have SXOS, if you just use your for Switch. Great for storage, to be honest. So here's the two links down here. I will put these links in the description, and just so you know, here they are, the official Amazon.co.uk websites. £13.49 free UK delivery and £22.29. I don't know how long these discounts are going to last. As you can see there, it's saying that this has got a 54% discount. This one, that is probably going to stay there because that's the price actually. There's no discount written into the description, but the 200 gig says it has a 54% discount. Probably is going to jump back up in price, but I highly recommend getting one at £22. 256 here is over twice the price at £54.99 for 56 gigs more. Not worth it at all. But these are official SanDisk cards. I highly recommend them. I've always used SanDisk. I have had them corrupt in the past, but you send them straight off to SanDisk. They send you brand new ones. They have a 10-year warranty on them. But that's it. Real quick one. If you're in the market for a new SD card, I highly recommend snapping one of these up. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you again.